Hello friends, welcome to the scientific channel. Today this video is in experimental diagnostic session, and this video define you that how to run a CFX real-time system. This is C1000 touch thermocycler, company is from BIORAD, CFX96 real-time system. So in this video I'll explain you how to run a real-time system, how to start the software of the real-time system for COVID diagnosis. Okay friends, so I'll tell you step by step how to run a machine, then how to set up the protocol. This is so before starting the machine, your PCR plate, means the samples which you have selected for testing, must be ready in a plate. So this is your PCR plate. See, these are the samples which is already being done in PCR section. So the plate is ready. I'll show you how to run the machine और किस तरीके से step by step you have to go forward so that no point will be missed out. So बस मैं इसको ऑन कर लेता हूँ मशीन को. This is CFX. When you will power on the machine, then you will get a clear-cut window, BIORAD laboratory self-test in progress. This will show you that the machine is running. Simultaneously मैं इसका सिस्टम भी ऑन कर लेता हूँ. सिस्टम इससे अटैच होगा. सॉफ्टवेयर you will get it. So you will get this type of window कि अभी ये मशीन रन हो चुकी है. सिस्टम का सॉफ्टवेयर ऑन करने से पहले you must be sure कि मशीन कनेक्ट हो और मशीन ऑन हो जाए. Then you have to start the system. Correct? So like this you will get system initializing. ये सारी चीज़ें ऑटोमेटिकली चेक करेगा. You don't have to do nothing to run the system. Now your Windows is ready. Now what to do? You have to go to the software button. This is BIORAD CFX Maestro. Open this software. You will get a window like this. Then what you have to do? You have to select prime PCR. Okay. Under prime PCR ये आपको पूछेगा which chemistry you are using. I'll tell you in detail later कि प्राइम केमिस्ट्री साइबर ग्रीन और प्रोब बेस्ड क्या होती है. इन कोविड टेस्टिंग वी आर यूजिंग प्रोब बेस्ड केमिस्ट्री. सो यू सेलेक्ट प्रोब, देन यू विल गेट अ विंडो रन सेटअप प्रोटोकॉल प्लेट स्टार्ट रन. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो इन अ प्रोटोकॉल कि आप कौन सी प्रोटोकॉल रन कराएंगे उस आरएनए को एम्पलीफाई करने के लिए, उस आरएनए को देखने के लिए, COVID-19 के आरएनए को देखने के लिए. सो वी हैव saved all the protocols which we are going to test. So you have to go to the select existing protocol. So this will ask you that are you sure you want to do it, proceed. Yes, you have to click it. Then there are options. So we have selected, see there are various protocols which we have already tested. ये सब कंपनी के किट्स के नेम्स हैं लाइक मैरल, क्यूलाइन, कोवीवॉक, कोविश्योर. सो अभी हम मैरल पे काम कर रहे हैं. सो वी विल सेलेक्ट मैरल COVID-19 किट. ओपन इट. नेक्स्ट अभी आप देखो एक प्लेट का सेटअप आया. नाउ यू हैव टू सेटअप द प्लेस बिकॉज यू मस्ट बी श्योर कि कौन से आप टारगेट सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो COVID-19 को टेस्ट करने के लिए, और वो टारगेट्स डिपेंड करते हैं विच किट यू आर यूजिंग. सो दिस विंडो इज द 96 प्लेट फॉर्मेट. सो दिस विंडो इज अ बेसिकली 96 प्लेट फॉर्मेट. यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट कि आप कौन सा फ्लोरोफोर आप यूज़ करोगे. सो सेलेक्ट फ्लोरोफोर. इसके बारे में आपको डिटेल में बताऊंगा कि फ्लोरोफोर कौन से होते हैं, फिर उसके बाद किस फ्लोरोफोर का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, कौन सा टारगेट्स है. बट यहाँ हमारे पास 3 टारगेट्स हैं, फैम, हैक्स और टेक्सास रेड. हम इसको सेलेक्ट कर देंगे, बाकी सबको डी सेलेक्ट कर देंगे, ओके कर देंगे। तो ये सारे 96 प्लेट फॉर्मेट के अंदर you will get to see these 3 targets. These are already checklist. Now what you have to do, you have to go to specific this sample code. You have to enter the name of the sample. Example, my sample name is NC67512, correct, and you have to hit enter button. Then you will get it कि यहाँ पर उसका नेम ऐड हो चुका है. Now you have to mark a positive control. Okay, this one is a positive control. Above this is a negative control. Then OK button. Then it is asking to save the changes. Yes, you have to save the changes. Now you will get a window like this. Start run. This will go to the next window. This will ask about the status of the machine कि टाइप कौन सा है, रन है कि नहीं, वॉल्यूम, और यहाँ पर वो ओपन और क्लोज का लिड का ऑप्शन देगा. सो यू डोंट हैव टू टच द मशीन टू पुट द प्लेट इनसाइड. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, सो आई विल क्लिक अ ओपन लिड ऑप्शन फ्रॉम सॉफ्टवेयर. तो सॉफ्टवेयर विल डायरेक्टली command this machine to open like this, and we will take this PCR plate and put it, I'll show you in detail. The other plate system, you have to put this plate in the upward direction like ABCD, 1 2 3 is there. Then from software itself you may close it, close lid, and this lid is closed automatically. You don't have to touch anything, although button is there, but you no need to touch. Then you have to go to this start run, correct. So this will start the machine. So I hope that is clear almost. Run setup contain 3 windows. The very first one is the protocol. प्रोटोकॉल के अंदर आपको ये सेट करना है कि जो रन होगा उसका टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, एनिलिंग टेम्परेचर, डीनेचुरेशन टेम्परेचर. सो ये आपको स्पेसिफिक सेट करना होता है, मींस लाइक कितने सेकंड के लिए कितना डिग्री जाएगा. ये सारी स्टेप्स हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप 15 मिनट के लिए ये 50 डिग्री चलेगा, 3 मिनट के लिए 95 डिग्री चलेगा, 15 सेकेंड दिस इज फॉर 95 एंड 40 सेकेंड्स फॉर 55 degree Celsius. And these 2 steps, you will see this arrow, 40 times this cycle run, and we will check in which cycle the amplification for COVID is there. So we will check in a live window. So this will end the run. Second, this one is the first protocol, this is the second जो हमने वो set किया था 96 well plate. That means the sample number, positive control, negative control. And here is the last open lid, close lid option. We have already put the sample inside. Now we'll click the start button. When you hit the start button, this will ask where you have to save this file. For example, we'll save it in a desktop. Just name them, and you have, when you just click the save button, this machine is initializing, and you will get a sound here which still initializing. It will take a few seconds to start initializing. I'll show you. It will show you the live amplification of the samples. See, still initializing. Now you'll get a light blink. That means the cycles which you have entered has been started. See, step 1 of 6 means preheating. Sample 24 degrees Celsius remaining. This time if you will change from here, you will get the time status 1:29. Still run yet not started. It will take few more seconds. So you'll get a real-time window and real-time amplification in this area, a plot. You'll get a real-time plot. I'll show you in a next video how to analyze, how to check whether the sample is positive or not, whether you have to give a repeat test, a negative test, or a positive test, or an invalid, because you have only 2 or 3 options. What you have to decide, what you have to give the result to the patient, because that is one of the important analysis which each and everyone knows, because that will decide the final result of the patient. Okay, fine. Now this machine is running. It will take 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the run. Then I'll show you how you will analyze. We're going to analyze the results, because it will take a huge time. Okay, thank you friends. Next video I'll show you how to analyze the graphs, how to interpret the results with CT values, importance of CT values, each and everything in detail. Okay, thank you.